Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we have a very fun video because it's a freaking haul. I haven't done a haul in a minute, and you guys know I've been talking crap about my clothes, and while I was going to try and just deal with it, somebody made a very good comment. I can't wear a lot of my clothes because of breastfeeding. Things don't work or just aren't comfortable with my new lifestyle, and that sounds like I need new clothes, not like I just want new clothes. And I said, you know what, I'm listening to you, so let's do it. I have them all piled in this corner over here. And before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Harper Wilde for sponsoring. Before I even knew they were going to sponsor, I have been just obsessed with their bras, so I'm really excited to talk to you guys about their bras and underwear and show you them in action when I'm trying on these clothes. But this is just what I wore today because it came in the mail yesterday. This is my first item. It is from Peachy, which you guys know I love Peachy for clothing. I think it's called their Cindy set. And this is the only pattern they have in it right now, but I literally need this in every single color. It is so cute. It's 2 pieces, so you could buy them separate. This is what I've been wanting for a while because I like rompers and unitards and stuff in high neck, but then I can't get a boob out to breastfeed. I know you guys are sick of it because a lot of you guys don't breastfeed, but this way I can lift it up. So this is so nice and cute, and it's very thin material. Obsessed. It is pricey, but you know, they're small business, and I love everybody at Peachy. I love their clothes. You guys already know. Next thing we have is something that I talked about in a past video. These little sling back chunky heel shoes. So these are from the brand Caitlin Pan. And when I first got them, I was wearing an outfit that just did them absolutely no justice, and I feel like this outfit could do them justice because they're a very timeless shoe, and they can almost come across old lady. So to pair it with something super funky like this, I think is the way to go. When I do these kind of videos, I like kind of styling items for you. I wore this 2-piece today with Sambas, but let's try this. Also, I got my box lights up. Let me know if the lighting's better in here. I know some of you missed the studio, but it's just not gonna happen for a minute. These little shoes are so comfy. I feel like they're the perfect, you wanna be dressed up but still comfortable type of heel. And I'm pretty sure I like it with this outfit. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I need to get a floor length mirror in here because I don't have that. So I'm literally going by the itty bitty viewfinder on my camera. I have a code for Caitlin Pan though, so I'll link it in the description when I'll try and link, every item I show. Let's keep going. So as a new mom, I have been struggling to find a bra that fits me correctly with my ever-changing body. One that can be versatile for, as you guys freaking know, breastfeeding, but also just day-to-day life and making me look like I have a bra on. Harper Wilde is a female-founded company that creates incredibly comfortable, high-quality bras, underwear, and PJs. Their mission is to create more comfortable intimates for all of womankind. The material of these bras and underwear are so buttery soft. They're super thin and breathable. It's been so hot in Michigan recently, and normally when that happens, the last thing I want to do is put on a bra. With my new body, it's just not as comfortable not wearing a bra anymore, so I put it on and it feels like I don't have a bra on. I personally love the nursing bra, obviously, just because how easy it is to undo the clasp right in front. I find that this helps a lot when, things get hectic. And then also, I just really like the underwire unlined bras. I used to have some like this, and obviously they don't fit anymore, so I was really happy to get my hands on ones. And a funny story with Harper Wilde is that I didn't tell them my size, and they sent me PR a while ago, nothing to do with this video, and they just guessed my size, and I saw it and I was like, there's no way that this is my size. And then I put it on, and I've never had a bra fit me better, be more comfortable, any of that stuff. So I trust them with anything that comes to bras and underwear. So if you guys want 15% off Harper Wilde, you can use my code Lainey or go to the link in the description box. I feel like there's never not a good time to stock up on some new bras and underwear, and these ones I can fully stand behind. I'm absolutely obsessed. Thank you again for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest. Let's keep going. So this one's kind of funny. I got this off these off Whatnot, and I don't know, I didn't look at the size, but this is my first time trying them on. I think they are too big, so I'll probably be selling these on an upcoming Whatnot show. But aren't they cute? And they came with this matching button up. I was just gonna wear the pants day to day, like I do, but they're just too big. But this is a matching pajama set I thought was so cute. It's got like cherries and cherry pie and birds. Like, why is this so cute? You know, if like you wear pajamas to bed and the bottoms are too big and then all night your like bottoms are falling off and you get claustrophobic and you feel like you're stuck. Anyone else? Just me? Okay. So that's the first of many Whatnot purchases. Let's keep going. Okay, so I actually found this exact dress on thredUP and I had it in my cart. I was gonna place a thredUP order. This is from Reformation, but then I found it on Whatnot for way cheaper. So of course I got it off Whatnot. I feel like I should just finish things off with shoes. Like I wanna keep trying these little Caitlin Pan shoes on. I don't know if I like them with this dress. It's like almost too classy for me. Again, I can't see. I kind of like these shoes in a more dressed down way, and I could see myself wearing this dress like day to day with a pair of Sambas. Let's do that. Do you guys like it when I style my, not just a haul? I feel like it's more fun. Yes, I normally wear socks. I just don't feel like it. I don't know, that's not right. One sec. Doesn't that feel a bit more right? It's like dressed down, but not day to day. And I don't know if I could get it to day to day. It might just be a more dressy dress. Unless we do like cowboy boots, of course. It's so cute still, so I'm definitely still keeping it. Another dress I got off Whatnot, which I have already worn just like this as a dress, but the person was selling it as a shirt and I don't know why, because it's definitely long enough. So I had envisioned it with these gingham pants that obviously don't go together, but let's see if they go together. And if they don't, I will just wear the dress as is because I already have. And this feels like a bit much, but it's that kind of tunic thing I was talking about that I wanted. What do we think? Is it just way too much gingham? What could we finish it off with? No, I've got it, one sec. Oh, hi. Like, let's dress it up. Because I could see myself wearing this to like a baby shower, you know, a summer gathering. I think it's cute. I can't tell. And when I walked outside, Brandon and my mom saw me, they didn't say anything, so rude. Normally they'll say cute, or I don't know. Is it too much gingham? Do you guys see the vision of what I want to happen though? But I also got another gingham shirt because I wasn't quite sure if this would work. So let's try that one. Again, this top is from Whatnot and my Dior heels are still broken. I just haven't had a minute to try somebody commented to try and just like I don't even want to say it, but there's a way to fix them. I just haven't done it. So please ignore it. This one's broken on the back. Okay, so this is kind of like that peplum I was talking about, where it's like not a true peplum, but it's a peplum and it's cute. This is it with just like the pants, and I think that this is such a fun look. It's so good. I feel so put together and so chic and like, oh my god, adorable. I don't feel like this is too much gingham, but this came with a bow. I'm gonna try the bow in the back. I don't think it needs, oh my god, how cute would this be? I'll show it with the bow. But like, isn't this kind of good? Oh my god. I can't even see. I'm like looking in the viewfinder. I really can't see, but I think it's really, really good. I think it's good. But let's show it with the bow. I wouldn't like the bow in the front. I can already tell I would not. And I really thought that I was gonna have to do it with the bow or with the ribbon. I didn't really notice that the ribbon would come off, but I'm so gonna use this ribbon like for my hair, you know, without the shirt and stuff like that. That's with the bow. I'm sure the back looks cuter. And like, I get it, but I don't necessarily think it needs it. So I'm very, very happy with this top purchase. Oh my god, so cute. Let's put on this other top I got from Whatnot. My mic just scared me. I don't know why I've been having like bugs all over me recently, but I just felt like that was a bug and I almost just cried. Okay, so this top even works with these pants. I think it's adorable, but when I envisioned this top, I wanted to dress it down. So let's try that. This is originally from COS. Did I just say that? I don't know. I think it could be really cute. I paired it with my bloomers that like you can barely see, but I think it's really cute. I also envisioned this top with like my little pink Nike shorts, but they're dirty right now. So I'll first try it with this a little less, but I think that this is fun just with the sneakers. Maybe I need like a little tube sock. And then also I got this little purse from Whatnot. I don't have just like a brown shoulder bag. This one's originally from BCBG. It's got like reddish pink piping and I thought it was just a really nice summer bag. I've realized that I actually like a shoulder bag and like I have Lou and stuff like that because it's easy just to put it under my armpit. So I could definitely dress this up a bit more with, you know, like loafers or even like a little kitten heel. Let me show you, because I feel like people aren't gonna like the sneakers necessarily, but I like the sneakers. But these shoes go too well with this purse to not show it. I thrifted these last year in person, and I like can't believe that I actually found these in person for, I want to say under 10 bucks. Like, tell me the Depop girlies wouldn't be selling these shoes for 200. They're vintage Steve Madden, and they're to die for. Very fun. But also I think this with the little Dior heels would be so good. But this is a little bit less dressed up, just with like the sandally kind of. So fun. Let's keep going. Because I know this top doesn't feel like it's an everyday top. This can be like a really good everyday top for me because it's like structured, it's cool, and it's what I like to wear. I really don't want these outfits to come as a cop-out, but I've honestly just been loving my little bloomers, so that's what I want to show these with. Oh, this top's originally from J. Crew, but I got it off Whatnot. We've got my little bloomers all linked down below. Bibliothèque. Somebody commented on how to say it, and I'm already saying it wrong. It's a Ukrainian brand though, so check them out. I'll link their Instagram below. This would be like so, oh my God. These shoes make everything cute, I swear. But this is just such a good shirt too, because I really like the high neckline, like I keep saying, but this one's flowy enough to get a baby under there. And then just the bloomer shorts have been my everything recently, so. Very cute. I can also see myself pairing this top with like more of an athletic short and sneakers though, which I think would be really fun. Really, really fun. This top is very different from me. It's originally from J. Crew, but I got it off Whatnot. I don't know how many times I can say that. I promise I don't say it for the rest of this video. I don't know why it was speaking to me, and I do like it with these little bloomers, but I envisioned it with just a pair of jeans, so let's do that. If you ever get new clothes and you're just like so excited about them, you style in very ways you're not gonna wear them all the time. Like, I don't think this is how I will be wearing this shirt necessarily. It was too cute to not show you guys with the heels. So this would be super cute for just like summertime dinner night out type of feel. Maybe I'll be doing that soon, who knows. I just like the bow in the back. I think it's really pretty to just throw your hair up. The shirt speaks for itself. You don't really need accessories or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna keep it. It's different and I don't have anything like it in my closet, but I do think I'd wear it. See. Okay. Keeping the jeans and shoes on, but I wanted to style this in a more chill way, but it's this little white top from Whatnot. Let me show you. It's giving very Paloma wool, these like off the shoulder. I thrifted a bunch for my next show. Very chill way to wear it. Here's the top, pair of baggy denim shorts, and then loafers. But I think you could also do like sneakers and like more athletic shorts with this type of top. I think there's just so many ways to wear this top. You guys will see it in upcoming videos, how many different ways I style it. I need to remember that this is just a haul. I like don't even want to go any further into this because I just don't know what I was thinking. I was really trying to get pieces that felt like I was just gonna wear them all the time and they were gonna turn into staples. I don't know about this. It's kind of like doing absolutely nothing for me. I really like baggy fit. Maybe when I'm editing this video, I'll like it a bit better. Let me just put on some shoes to like give it a fair chance. I feel like loafers would go with this. Like super chill. What do you think? It's weird. Whatever. So Whatnot has a buy now feature where like you don't have to see the person hold the item up and stuff like that. And I totally thought these were gonna be like tight knit shorts. They're from COS. COS, and they're weird. They're like super structured striped pants. So I've got my two least favorite items on right now. Let's not talk about it. I'm making these shorts fight for their life. I want to see if I can get them to work. This little top is originally from Zara, but I got it off Whatnot with tags. Still haven't taken it off. I tried not to touch any of these items when they came in, so they've been sitting in my room. Sorry, Brandon, our room. Sorry for the clothes mostly. This is like a fun way to dress it up. This is very like Pinterest inspired. I've seen an outfit like this a million times that I'm obsessed with, but I could see myself just wearing this. Maybe I need like a black pair of bloomers and then I would wear this with black pair of bloomers in an instant, or even just like a mini skirt. A colored pair of shorts would be fun, like even Nike running shorts. And then yeah, lots of ways to wear this. You'll see it in upcoming videos because I do really like this top. I got this little swimsuit for a Whatnot show. I was gonna sell it, but I'm so into tankinis. Top fits me weird, so I actually don't love it, but I like this print so much. So I feel naked even though I just showed you guys my bras and underwear, but I don't want to do the outro on this. But oh, I got this just at the thrift store. I don't know how much it was. I literally don't remember, but do we like it? I have another tankini that I think I like better. So I don't know. This print is so cute though. Just the cut's weird. I'm calling it a day. So I'm back in my cozy clothes. So that's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun shopping for these clothes, but also showing them to you guys. Remember to check out Harper Wilde and use my code LANEY for 15% off. Best brown underwear in the game, I swear. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.